If you're tackling big construction or DIY projects, having the right tools makes all the difference. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best cordless nail gun framing options to power through your toughest jobs with speed, precision, and convenience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DeWalt 20V. The DeWalt 20V finish nailer is a fantastic cordless framing and finish tool designed to free users from the hassle of compressors, hoses, and pricey gas cartridges. It operates entirely on battery power, which makes it especially convenient for job sites without easy access to power or for projects around the house. Powered by a brushless motor, this nailer delivers extended runtime and increased durability, making it a dependable choice for professionals and dedicated DIYers alike. The 16-gauge finish nailer easily handles trim, baseboards, and other finish carpentry tasks with speed and precision. One of its best features is the tool-free selectable trigger, allowing users to switch seamlessly between sequential and contact actuation modes. Whether you need precise nail placement or rapid-fire operation, this tool adjusts to your needs. Depth adjustments are also tool-free, giving users fingertip control to set the exact countersinking depth. Nail jams and occasional headache for any nailer user are quickly and easily cleared thanks to the tool-free jam release. Additional convenience comes from multifunctional LED lights, which not only illuminate dark workspaces but also offer diagnostic information, keeping you in the loop on your tool's status. The integrated stall release lever is another useful feature, making it easy to reset the driver blade should a stall occur. The adjustable billet hook ensures the tool is always within easy reach, and it can be positioned for left or right-hand use. Its inline magazine design makes working in tight spaces and awkward angles much more manageable. Number 2. Metabo HPT. The Metabo HPT 21-degree framing nailer is a rugged, reliable tool perfectly suited for heavy-duty construction tasks like framing, flooring, roof decking, and wall sheathing. Weighing only 7.5 pounds, it's impressively lightweight for its class, reducing arm fatigue and improving maneuverability during extended use. The balance and handling of this nailer are exceptional, making it comfortable to operate whether you're working overhead or in tight corners. This framing nailer accepts 2-inch to 3.5-inch plastic collated framing nails, giving it excellent versatility for a variety of job site applications. The standout feature is the selective actuation switch, which allows users to quickly toggle between sequential and contact nailing modes. Whether you're aiming for precision or speed, this tool adjusts to fit the workflow. Depth adjustment is also tool-less, providing an easy way to drive nails flush or countersink them to the desired level with a quick dial turn. Recognized as the Pro Preferred Nailer by Builder and Developer magazine for 7 consecutive years, the Metabo HPT nailer has proven itself reliable in professional circles. Its durable build and consistent performance make it a staple in many contractor toolkits. This tool's fastener compatibility and driving power make it ideal for large framing jobs, subfloor installation, window framing, and even truss buildups. Although it's a pneumatic tool, it offers excellent features like easy-to-adjust depth control and an efficient, lightweight design. Its overall handling makes it approachable for both seasoned professionals and homeowners tackling bigger DIY projects. Number 3. DeWalt DCN692B. The Dewalt DCN692B is a high-performance cordless framing nailer that brings impressive power and versatility to job sites without the need for compressors or gas cartridges. Featuring a dual-speed motor, this tool is optimized to handle a wide range of fastener sizes, providing excellent adaptability for framing, decking, fencing, and heavy carpentry projects. Its capability to drive 3.5-inch fasteners into dense lumber makes it a valuable asset for any demanding build. One of the highlights of the DCN692B is its tool-free selector switch, which allows users to easily transition between sequential and bump-fire, contact nailing modes. This enables efficient switching between precision work and rapid-fire nailing, depending on the demands of the job. Tool-free depth adjustment provides precise nail placement, ensuring clean, flush finishes without extra effort.
DeWalt also includes several thoughtful design features, such as a stall release lever, which allows users to quickly reset the driver blade in the event of a jam. A dry fire lockout prevents firing when nails run low, protecting both the tool and your work materials. Accessing the nosepiece for jam clearance is easy, minimizing downtime and frustration on the job. With a 33-degree magazine that holds up to 55 paper collidated nails, this nailer is built for continuous work without constant reloads. The adjustable rafter hook is another welcome addition, allowing you to conveniently hang the tool when not in use. Being cordless, it offers unmatched mobility.
Number 4. NuMax SFR2190. The NuMax SFR2190 is a solid, budget-friendly framing mailer designed to tackle construction projects like framing, subfloors, roof decking, fencing, and pallet assembly. Compatible with 21-degree plastic collated full-round head framing nails ranging from 2 to 3.5 inches in length, this pneumatic tool delivers dependable performance for a wide range of heavy-duty woodworking applications. Built with durability in mind, the SFR2190 features a one-piece hardened steel drive blade, ensuring resilience against wear and job site abuse. The anti-dry fire mechanism is a welcome inclusion, preventing the tool from firing when the magazine is empty and helping protect internal components. Its dual-mode trigger offers a fast and easy switch between sequential firing for precise placement and bump firing for speed and efficiency during production work. A simple, tool-free depth adjustment dial makes it easy to control nail depth based on different materials and applications, giving users versatility and precision. The No-Mar safety tip prevents damage to finished surfaces, maintaining a clean and professional appearance on your projects.
Number 5. DeWalt MAX Brushless. The DeWalt MAX Brushless nailer offers a smart blend of efficiency, power, and convenience, making it an excellent option for both residential and commercial applications. Designed with bump mode functionality, it boosts productivity by enabling quick, successive firing, perfect for high-volume projects like decking, fencing, or roofing installations. At the heart of this nailer is a brushless motor, which provides extended runtime, increased durability, and better overall efficiency. Internationally sold with some product and packaging variations, this model is still held to DeWalt's strong standards of performance and reliability. A tool-free nail tray simplifies fastener loading, easily accommodating a range of roofing nails without the need for special tools or complicated adjustments. This ease of operation saves valuable time on the job site, allowing for smooth transitions between tasks.